Hi, this is how I went about trying some different transitions, and I hope it helps anyone who is starting out on Hitfilm. For this transition, I started off by making up a picture, and any picture will work for this. After I had the picture the way I wanted it, I then sent a copy to my tablet. Then I printed out the picture onto A4 paper, held the print up to a window and laid over another sheet of A4, and traced some of the original print in pencil, so you end up with 4 clips. Start off by making a composite shot and naming it Transitions. I will make it about 20 seconds long and then import the footage. Then I will drag all of them into the composite. I will use the Tesla pencil drawing at the start and later use at the end of the sequence. I am going to make each clip around 3 to 4 seconds, and I will start with the first 2 clips. Make the top clip 3 seconds and the second clip around 4 seconds and overlap by 1 second. Fade out the opacity on the top clip and fade in opacity on the second clip where they overlap. Also, add a white plane and turn off visibility on clips 3 and 4. On the first clip, I'm going to key the anchor point and scale so the transition is smoother. Next I add the effect Crush Blacks and Whites and key only the black. Then I drag the anchor and scale key to the start to smooth out the effect. Make the third clip called Tablet visible and adjust the footage, making sure that it ends as I flip the tablet. Go to Export Frame and export the last frame of the second clip. Then bring the exported frame in and place it above the tablet clip. Then adjust it so it's only a few frames in length. Go to the effects and bring in a quad warp and drop it onto the exported frame. Now turn on key in for all 4 positions. Then move the corners in slightly and go forward 2 frames. Then move the corners in again and go forward. Keep doing this till it fits the tablet screen. Now it should look like it falls into the tablet. I make the paper scrunch clip visible and make sure it is lined up correctly so the paper gets scrunched up straight after the transition. Then I slice a few frames off the end of the tablet clip and add a 70s photo effect. I key some of the settings to adjust the colour and grain to try and match the 2 clips together. I filmed the A4 print in front of my TV, and the TV also had the same image on. This will then take me back to the first pencil image I used at the start. I trim up some of the unwanted footage and then drop another copy of the pencil drawing just under the paper scrunch clip. Then I do the opposite of what I did with the first pencil clip drawing, using the scale, opacity and anchor points to complete the transition. You should end up with something like this.